Well, we're doing math workshop. We're on rotation 2. So math workshop is just a way that we can all work on basic skills together, but then we separate into small groups so that every week everybody gets one time with me, working on whatever we need to work with. We get some time with our math journals on our own. Sometimes it's before they work with me, sometimes it's after. Depends what works best for them. And then every week everybody gets to play the game, which I think you've been able to see. So the game strengthens whatever concept we're working on. This week it happens to be counting by quarters. We can do this with a small class or a large class. It really depends on who needs what. Sometimes our groups are 2 people, sometimes they're 5 people, sometimes it's 3 or 4. The groups change sometimes each chapter depending on what somebody might need. It's just a nice way to give everybody what they need in math.